This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Buick Enclave. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort and safety, then fasten your seatbelt and confirm doors are locked. Check that the parking brake is engaged and the gear selector is in park. Familiarize yourself with pedals, infotainment controls, and dashboard warnings before starting the engine for a calm, confident drive. Turn the key or press the start button while keeping the brake depressed, then release the parking brake while your foot remains on the brake. Ease the accelerator until the vehicle moves smoothly, prioritizing small, intentional inputs. When maneuvering at low speed, steer with both hands and look where you want the vehicle to go. Practice gentle braking to stop predictably and maintain distance from other cars for safer starts. When entering a highway, accelerate to match traffic speed and use your mirrors plus blind spot alert before merging, then smoothly join the flow. Use adaptive cruise control if available to reduce driver fatigue on long trips, but stay attentive and ready to brake. Keep both hands on the wheel for lane changes and watch for large vehicles that can create wind buffets. Regularly scan mirrors and the road ahead to anticipate slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.